Hicktown back again. A little gameplay on flooded domination. Start off slow 1 and 4, but I do finish up from here on out 24 and 2. A lot of that has to do with the I.M.S I use on the domination point, so hopefully in this gameplay you'll see how effective the I.M.S is in domination. So at this point I'll back out, let you enjoy the gameplay, and I'll catch you later in a Hicktown.
Friendly chopper inbound. Enemy SATCOM spotted. I.M.S at your disposal. Sentry gun ready for deployment. All points held. Defend your positions. They destroyed your sentry gun! Super Hind standing by. Friendly chopper inbound. Losing A! Losing C. Losing Alpha. We lost Alpha. Enemy has A. Securing Alpha. Losing Bravo. I.M.S ready for deployment. Friendly helo pilot active. Friendly Trinity rocket inbound. Losing B. We lost Bravo. Enemy has Bravo. Friendly Griffin inbound. Securing Bravo. I.M.S at your disposal. All points held. Defend your position. We're winning this fight. They destroyed your I.M.S. Losing B. Enemy SATCOM spotted. Losing C. We lost Charlie. Soldier, your sentry gun is ready. Enemy has C. Losing A. We lost A. Enemy has A. Friendly helo pilot active. Securing A. Securing A. Mi-24 standing by. Friendly chopper inbound. Enemy SATCOM spotted. Alpha secure. Losing Alpha. We lost A. Enemy has A. Securing Charlie. I.M.S. ready for deployment. A secure. Losing B. Losing B. Enemy has Charlie. Your sentry gun is gone. Losing B. We lost B. Enemy has Bravo. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Securing Bravo. B secure.
Well, there you go, YouTube. Finished up this gameplay 25 and 6. Got the final kill cam with a sentry gun that I like to run in these maps with a lot of buildings. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later in a hit town.